Our next prospect, I love it. It's a Canon C500, and it's like the big brother of the one that is capturing me right now, which is the Canon R5C. And it's full frame, it's practically 6K, 5.9. And what does that mean? You know, it basically is a full frame sensor, meaning that it is huge. You can see in the monitors up there. I'm going to grab these actors. So hopefully, let's see what happens in the near future, but this is our plan. So this is Laowa's new range Nanomorph, and the reason I wanted to talk to you guys about it is because I think this is a project we're definitely going after. We wanted, I wanted, to be honest with you. Daniel didn't want it, but I wanted a anamorphic lens that had a range, you know, and these are very hard to find because they're very expensive. Usually they're very expensive. So this is a 1.5 squeeze. So it's great for situations like documentary style of shoots. And it's awesome. Like you can see here, it's a 50 millimeter to 100, but they also have the 28 to 55. And they're awesome. So we did a video a while ago that it was called Panda Spices. Yeah, that was made with the Laowa probe lens, the first lens, you know? This is the second one. And if you guys want to see how a lens makes everything look very close and macro, like with the Panda Spices, but this one has actually an angle. So here you go.
This is the mic that we use in our video podcast, but it's 1 week old. So that means this is the newer version from ours. This is the, which version is this?
This is called the MV7 Plus. So it's the brand new microphone for podcasting, content creation, streaming, all that good stuff. Like you said before, you had the MV7. This is the upgrade. So how can we improve on the MV7? We've done a couple things. Number one, we increased the pop filter here to take out plosives. But the biggest difference is we upped the software. We created new software for this microphone. You have a more robust experience. Before we had the auto level mode where it was near or far. You could choose between the two. Yep. Now the microphone will do it automatically. So you don't need to tell it you're going to be near or far. It will automatically know where you're at and give you the best sound possible. The other thing we added was a denoiser. So we added the real-time denoiser. So it's analyzing all the noise that's happening and kind of dulling it out to get a better sound.